Morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Join Jackie Mondays at 10. And today we are learning how a granny flat agreement might be the solution to your parents' downsizing. So we can't talk about a granny flat agreement without talking about Centrelink, because a granny flat agreement is a Centrelink mechanism. So if your parents were downsizing, they obviously then have a whole lot of cash in their name. While they're living in the house is their principal place of residence. It's not counted as an asset for Centrelink. As soon as they sell the house and it's cash, the cash is counted as an asset. And so having that amount of cash might push them off the pension. Now, of course, if they just go and buy something else in a retirement village or something like that, no problem, because then the cash gets used for something else. The problem is if they don't want to go into an aged care facility or a retirement village, and that they actually want to be around you more and want your care. Now, Centrelink has some gifting rules. So generally, for everyone else, there is no gifting taxes, no gifting rules. You can give whatever you want to anyone. But for Centrelink, because your pension is based on your asset test, there is a rule about not being able to give your assets away to get lower assets so you can get the pension, right? So if you are on the pension and you give assets away, you can be penalized. You can only give $10,000 a year for 3 years or $30,000 over 5 years, or else you can be penalized. But a granny flat arrangement is an exception to that rule. The reason being is that the gift is being made to relieve your impact on aged care. The gift is being made to keep you at home in exchange for your care of your parents, basically. So your parents are paying you to keep them. And that may include putting a granny flat in the backyard. It may not. It may include an extension. It may include some kind of alterations to your house. But the whole amount of money doesn't have to be spent on that granny flat or the improvements. It is a lump sum for their care, essentially, and whatever it takes for that. So that could be a solution to your parents' downsizing. So consider it. You need to document it if that's what's happening. And remember that it's not a gift. It is not a loan. It is not money that goes back to your parents' estate after they've passed away. It becomes yours. So the granny flat becomes yours. The increase to your property value because of the improvements become yours. The money that they give you to look after them becomes yours. So that can also create some problems between other family members. So keep that in mind, have the open conversations, and perhaps that is a solution for someone. So if you see this video and you think it could be a solution for someone you know, please tag their name in the comments or share it with them privately on Messenger. Otherwise, this will go into the vault, the library of videos that we have on the videos tab on our Facebook page. There are hundreds there. It's a great place to start. So please, if anyone you know is facing some kind of legal challenge and don't know where to start, have a look at our videos. We may have done a video on that topic. And if not, let us know. If you have a request, I can meet your request. Catch you next week.